Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add this trending TikTok photo puzzle effect in CapCut. So you can do it automatically by following the steps. After you add your photos into CapCut, you can click on it and go to effects. And here click on style. Then find the motion category. Okay, so under the motion category, there will be the puzzle options that you can select. This one's right here. So click on the style and you can just wait until it's done. And now the effect has been applied. You can click on a check icon and this will be the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.